So I want to tell you about the time I almost got shot in a house. Okay, I've been buying and selling real estate for about 13 years now. We've done over 1,000 houses, but this was the one time that I came face to face with a rifle. So here's what happened. There's a wholesaler that I had worked with in the past, and he said, hey, I've got this house. And so he sent me a picture of the house. He gave me the address. He said, hey, the front door's unlocked. Go take a look at it. I get to the house. There's grass about knee high. There's a broken down truck in the front yard. Look at the picture of the house. Exact same color. I'm at the right place. He said, hey man, the front door's unlocked. Just go on in. So I do. I can tell that there's a TV on, and I walk out of the house. I called the guy up and said, hey, I just want to make sure I'm at the right house. Looks like there's furniture in the house. Is anybody here? He said, yeah, it's an inheritance situation. Electricity's on. Just go on in. Let me know if you want it. I go into the kitchen and I met with a man who appears to be in his late 80s. He had a World War II rifle pointed at my face from about 5 feet away. So I didn't have a whole lot of choice in this situation, so I tucked tail and ran out the front door. Ended up I was at the wrong house. The builder that built this house built the exact same house next door, but back in the woods. The police came. They had guns drawn on me. I was face down in the dirt until they found out that it was all a big mistake. The worst part is that the wholesaler that I was working with, his name was Tyler. He went by Ty. His partner's name was Robert, who went by Rob. And so when I said, hey, Mr. Seller, I'm with Ty and Rob, all he heard was Ty and Rob. And I found out from the neighbor, he actually got tied up and robbed about 1.5 years ago. How I made it out of this deal with my life, I have no idea. It was about 10:30 in the morning. I went home and had some bourbon. That's a true story.